For instant replay, hatid sa atin ng
Santa Ana Park, Sada ng Clubs, dito po sa Naik, Cavite.
And the race is on. Dolbelia fast to begin by the release Dream Cross, and rushing up Al Marley on the further outside. Haley Star, Chariot of Fire, Fantasy Angel, while Glory Honor is running at the tail of the field. Dolbelia, Al Marley running in second, and running by the Dream Cross. Rushing up is Haley Star, Chariot of Fire, moving up now to take third position. Fantasy Angel is racing in sixth. As they round the far turn, Dolbelia, Chariot of Fire, Al Marley, Dream Cross, Haley Star, Fantasy Angel. Rounding the far turn, Dolbelia, followed by Chariot of Fire, Al Marley rushing up from the outside, Dream Cross, Haley Star, Fantasy Angel. As they race the final corner, Dolbelia, Al Marley fighting it out for the lead. Chariot of Fire, Danori inside, Haley Star, Dream Cross. Last 250. Dolbelia, Al Marley, sorry, outside, but still Dolbelia, Al Marley, Chariot of Fire, Haley Star, Dream Cross, and in the finish line, Dolbelia, Al Marley, sorry, outside, but still Dolbelia, and finally Dolbelia, Al Marley, Chariot of Fire, Haley Star, Dream Cross, Fantasy Angel, Love Tale, and Glorious Honor comes.